We're in Fairfield County, headed to one of my favorite places close to Columbus. Rock Mill is just a great place. This is a 19th century mill, been there forever. It was in terrible condition, but the county park system acquired it and did a great restoration. So we're going to learn a lot about water power and 19th century mill technology and how grain gets turned into flour. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Jan. How are you?
I'm
Good
doing
to see
well,
you. Nice
Jeff.
to see you,
Good to
Jeff
see you.
Darby.
Hello,
Good to see you.
Jeff.
How are you,
Yeah.
Bruce? Nice to see you. Well, Rock Mill. This is way different from what it was some years ago, isn't it?
Sure is.
I've been looking forward to this visit. Let's have a look in the mill. I've been excited about coming down here today.
All right.
When was the mill built? What was the date?
This particular mill was built in 1824,
Okay.
but the first mill that was built on the Hocking River in this area was 1799.
So this is the Hocking River?
This is the
Okay.
headwaters of the Hocking River, which was the Hocking River at that time.
The Native American name.
Right.
So it's sided in wood. It has a heavy wood frame construction. Is that typical mill construction?
Yeah, typical mill construction. When the grain first arrives, it would come into this area, and you can see where there was a hoist beam up at the top.
Yeah, protected by
And
that little
the
roof.
grain would be brought up in bags up to not the very top floor, but to the third floor level. And there it would be spread out on the floor where it could be dried and conditioned and then moved across to the east side of the mill where it would feed back down and into hoppers that would feed the millstone.
Well, let's have a look inside.
All right.
Boy, it looks great, but I'm guessing it didn't always look this good.
No. When we first got started, there were no floors in here.
Oh my.
The place was overrun with possums, skunks, raccoons, squirrels. A lot of trash had been accumulated over the 100 years that it did sit here idle.
Who owned the mill at the time?
Bob Stapleton family had the mill,
Okay.
and that family gave the mill to Fairfield County Historical Parks. Bob worked on it for about 2 years himself.
Okay.
Every night he'd come work on it, and he finally realized this was a much bigger project than he could do, and that's when he gave it to the parks system in the hopes that they could restore it. Had he not done some of the restoration to even start,
Oh yeah.
the mill would have fallen into the gorge.
Yeah, it was in the hands of somebody who really appreciated how important it was,
really
and,
was.
and did what he could to take care of it.
Right.
Well, I see we have stones here. These are grindstones,
Yeah.
I assume.
These are the only two pieces that we were able to salvage out of the mill, which is one set of millstones. This is the bed stone. This is the stone that sits on a hearse frame. It does not turn.
Okay, so it's stationary.
You can see there are grooves in this. It's called a dressing. And the millwright would dress those after so many hours of operation to keep it sharp. They're not just grooves. One side is straight, the other is a chisel. So it grinds
the
the
grinding.
grain when it's turning. This stone is the turning stone, and it picks up and it sets on top of this stone.
I would guess it doesn't pick up very easily. Those
No.
must be several
This
hundred
weighs about
pounds.
650 pounds.
That was my guess, something like
And
that.
when we go down below, you'll see the new stones that they're not new, but they're newer stones that are in there.
Over here, we've got this set of stones opened up so you can see it. Here you can see, Jan talked about a bed stone. This one you can see, it's just set solid right there. This is the runner stone that's on top. This is the crane that would
Oh,
be
look at
used
that.
to raise
yeah.
And lower it. Here you see the little spout where the flour or cornmeal would go down.
So it would naturally accumulate and then slip down through that.
Right.
And then this piece here, this metal piece, that must be powered from beneath.
That's right.
And it
That's
turns
what's
the upper
powered
stone.
by the water wheel.
Okay,
And
okay.
this little point right here supports that entire wheel.
Oh, I
They're
see
just,
there, yes.
It's just balanced in there.
Well, the mill is water powered, but boy, there's an awful lot of human effort as well.
There is.
Yep.
Not everything is water powered.
That's right. That's right.
Well, that's fascinating. Well, speaking of water power, I can hear the splashing outside. So there's more to see, isn't there?
There is.
Okay.
There's a lot more to see.
Let's
Yep.
go have a look. All right, so we're down one level below the grinding floor, the milling floor. And obviously, this is the main source of power.
Right. This is the floor that changes the horizontal motion to the vertical.
So this is all new construction
All new
based on
construction.
historic precedent, historic design. It was done by a millwright who actually reconstructs historic mills.
This entire structure is not attached to the mill. It sets independent because when we're grinding, this structure tends to want to move.
Right.
And we don't want the mill.
You want it
moving.
isolated, yeah.
So it's
These-
all
and
isolated.
These gears obviously run the stones.
Right.
And you can tell with the speed of the pinion gear here, once you engage these gears, these must really spin.
This steel shaft that you see when Jan was pointing out that point
Yes.
that supports the,
Right.
the
Right.
stone, that is that piece right there. That point is on that.
So there's some sort of bearing here where it goes up through the floor.
That's right. So the whole weight of that top stone sets on that bearing down there, and that's how, as he pointed out, this can raise it up and down and get that fine adjustment for grinding
What sort
flour.
of horsepower are we talking about that a wheel
About
like this
20.
would do? And that's
At
enough to
maximum.
that'll run the whole mill.
Yep.
I'm impressed. Well, I know
Doesn't
there's more.
sound like very much, but
Well, they figured it out, didn't they? So now we're walking right over the flume. Oh my, look at this. We're right on top of the flume.
the water's flowing right underneath.
Right, and there's
us,
the
right
wheel,
under our
there's the
feet.
main gear. Wow, what a sight. 26-foot wheel. That is big.
Right now, since we don't have the dam built, we pump water into this
Okay.
reservoir,
Okay. Yeah.
and then it comes over and into the 4-bay box.
So you will rebuild the dam.
We will.
Oh, that's great.
We're trying to. It's not easy to get a permit to build a dam on the Hocking River,
Yeah, I'm going to guess that's the case.
but we're gonna. That's our goal.
Well, history will prevail, right?
It's our goal.
Well, you certainly know a lot, and you've certainly given me a lot of information today. I want to thank you for just a great visit. I learned a lot myself.
We're glad to have
I
you
really
here.
appreciate
Well,
that.
I'm
Glad to have you here.
So,
I am
thank
so
you.
glad the county took on this project. The county park system, they've done a terrific job, and it only promises a lot of good things for the future.